Never underestimate the power of cutting fabrics following same pattern or sequence over and over again. It will save you materials. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made, or I'm going to explain to you, even though all the details may not be here, but you'll get the most important things. Here I'm showing you that this is a full bundle, 8 hours. As you can see, there are 8 strips of the Aso Oke, and I'm starting with the circumference area. So I'm going to be cutting the same pattern from this full bundle, and I'm even going to cut more from the second bundle before cutting the crown later on. I made this I think within 2 weeks or so, or a little over 2 weeks, because the 33 did not come at once. The 33 requests did not come at once. I started with about 22 or so, and then subsequently more people started joining to get the caps. So I started by cutting these pieces, and I started joining them. As you can see, I'm picking them in threes and joining them. Afterward, I started cutting the stay. I marked the stay. You know, it's bulk the stay, so you get to do same thing over and over again. It's a monotonous work. You cut the same pattern, you mark and cut, same. You do the same for the stay, you do the same for the lining. So when you are cutting and you just make it same pattern, you are going to save a lot of fabrics. You are going to avoid wastage, unlike when you are doing one cap at a time. Normally, one bundle of asooke is 8 strips or 8 lines. We call it awe in Yoruba, and each awe makes 1 fila. Now, if you think about it, I said I made 33 out of 3 bundles. So 3 bundles is 24 lines. Normally, if you are making it 1-1, it should be 24 caps. But since it's bulk and I'm cutting following a sequence, the same pattern, I was able to make 33 and even had leftover. The leftover could have made 3 more pieces, so it would have been 36 caps altogether. But I still had some left. Now here you can see I've laid the fabric, the lining fabric underneath, and then the asooke on top. I even pinned them together. I made a circle. So I got this plate in my house that, you know, the circumference of that plate is just enough to cover any head circumference. The biggest size I did was 25, and the smallest size I did was 19.5. A little boy was also part of them. So even that same circle, that same circumference was enough to cover the crown of every cap size. Some of them had more trimmings than the other, but it was okay. So that plate helped save a lot of fabric, and now I use it for all my fillers. I don't even have to measure anymore. Once I just place that plate and cut the circle, that's it. I'm good to go. And if you notice the way I cut the crown, I joined the asooke 3 lines. I joined them, and then I started cutting the circles. Everything is just to save fabrics, and it will even make your work easier when you do all the monotonous activities at once. I hope that you are enjoying this video so far. If you are interested in watching how I make fila in a detailed video, I'm going to drop the link in the description box so you can watch it. I'm only showing you how I was able to make lots of fila from 3 bundles, and I could have made up to 36 if there were more people, but that's it. Here I'm done with the circumference. What's left now is the crown, and I'm just going to show you how far the gap between the smallest size, this is the smallest size with me, 19.5, and that's the biggest size I did, 25. So you can see the difference, and it's the same measurement I used for all except that's 19.5. That 19.5 I used 11 inches instead of 13 inches when you're cutting that circumference area, those 3 pieces. I hope you understand. So this is when I did the first 22 or so, and then subsequently other people were requesting, since the material was still available, I started making more, and at the end of the day, I was able to make 33. I still had some left that could have made 3 more. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.